Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, finally a very important updates coming forward regarding the TCS Code Vita Round 1 Zone 2. So finally timer has been started and you can see on the screen that just 18 hour 50 minutes left. You know very well that your TCS Code Vita Zone 2 will start sharp at 3 p.m. and end at 3 p.m. next day. So friends, one of the common confusion that is being arised by lots of candidates that how to reset or how can I get the OTP if I am facing any issue in the OTP, or suppose I have forgotten the password of Microsoft Authenticator, or by any means I have uninstalled the Microsoft Authenticator. So how can I reset that things? Okay, so watch this video very carefully because this is one of the important things. Okay, so friends, what we have to do, what are the steps you have to follow? First of all, you have to go to the login and register button. Okay, so now you can see lots of students are saying that login button is not available. So now login button is available, so from now onward you can log in it. Okay, if you want, and if you have deleted OTP account, then just click on this button, that is the deleted OTP account. Okay, so when you will click on the deleted OTP account, then a new window will appear. Okay, I am just showing you by minimizing this little bit. Okay, so a new window will appear, you can say here, where you have to give your username or email. Okay, so I think you must have a active email if you have registered, so you have to click on the username or email and you have to then click on submit button. Okay, or after that a confirmation message you will get. Okay, so after you have submitted you will get confirmation message as shown below. So this is the message you will get from the TCS that be notice a request reset your TCS Code Vita account credential. So this is the link to reset credential, so you have to just click on this. Remember friend, this link will be active till 10 hour, means within 10 hour you have to reset that. Okay, so if you will click on the reset or link to reset credential, then a new window will appear where you will get the login credential. Okay, so you will redirected to screen where you can scan the QR code and you can basically scan it in the Microsoft Authenticator. Okay, so for that you have to just install the Microsoft Authenticator again from the Play Store, and you have to just scan this QR code. Okay, so when you will scan this QR code, then all OTP things will be came there. Okay, and now your login credential will be updated. So these are the step-by-step process how to do that. Okay, and make sure that you have the active mail. Okay, and just you have to click here the login and you can just click on delete OTP account. Okay, so this is the step-by-step process you have to do. Now I think your doubt is clear. So if you by mistake or by some means you have deleted the account or uninstall the Microsoft Authenticator, so now you can do that. Okay, so makes your friend do as soon as possible, because if you will do this in when the contest start, then there may be chance happen, okay, that this things will not be present. Okay, that delete OTP account ऑप्शन विल नॉट प्रेजेंट. ओके, सो डू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, क्योंकि फर्दर आपको फिर से चांस नहीं मिलेगा. सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. इफ़ यू स्टिल हैव एनी क्वेरी एंड इफ यू स्टिल आर फेसिंग एनी इशू in getting the OTP or anything, make sure to comment here. I will feel very happy to help you. Thank you, bye bye, and best of luck for your Code Vita.